Meaning of deflower.
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 Deflower. The term deflower refers to the act of taking someone's virginity, usually referring to a woman's first sexual experience. It can also refer more broadly to the loss of innocence or purity in any context. The result of deflowering is the permanent physical and emotional change that comes with the loss of virginity. Physically, the hymen may be broken and there may be some discomfort or pain. Emotionally, it can be a significant event and may affect one's self-esteem, sense of identity, and future sexual experiences.